a new face covering mask from Amazon. It's about $8 to $10, so let's get into it. The box is pretty simple, so let's get into it. So impressions, it's tissue paper. Ooh, okay. First impression, it is very soft and everything. I got in the camo because I love camo. Anyway, first thing I noticed, it has like this wire thing right where your nose would go. So I think that's just to make sure it's like to shape your nose and to fit better, I am assuming. Let's try it on. So first thing I noticed, it covers your entire bottom half of your face. Plus it looks and it feels very high quality. It's very soft and it can protect you from illness. In conclusion, this is a very high quality and very comfortable face mask. So now there isn't any excuses to not wear a mask, and it's not that expensive. So now we have no excuse to not wear a mask, so wear a mask.